What are you gonna do about it?
You want me to be feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me.